Presenting the InMotion 8-inch automated towel dispenser from GP Pro. Inside the box, you'll find the dispenser, access key, 4 D-cell batteries, and manual. Installation of the dispenser is easy and only takes a few minutes. Mounting should comply with ADA guidelines. Compliance is the responsibility of the installer. The dispenser can be installed by direct mount or by bracket mount. To mount the dispenser directly to a wall, open the cover using the provided access key and position the dispenser so the bottom of the unit is level. The recommended distance from the bottom of the dispenser to the floor is 41 to 45 inches. Mark the screw locations where indicated. Secure the dispenser to the wall with 4 screws and appropriate anchors. To mount the dispenser using brackets that are sold separately, first assemble the brackets by connecting the sides. Ensure the arrows are pointing upwards and the top is level before marking screw locations. The recommended distance from the bottom of the bracket to the floor is 46 to 51 inches. Peel the paper from both sides of the adhesive and adhere to the mounting brackets. Apply the bracket to the wall with firm pressure. Use 4 screws with appropriate anchors to secure the bracket. Fit the dispenser onto the bracket and lock it into place by gently pulling downwards. To load batteries, open the cover using the provided access key. Open the battery cover and insert 4 new D-cell alkaline batteries and close the cover. To load a new towel roll into the dispenser, insert it so that the core plug fits into the roll holder and the paper feeds over the top of the roll. Position the end of the towel under the transfer bar, leaving a 1-inch flap. Then, press the paper feed button to feed the towel through the rollers. Pull the towel through the chute and close the cover. The dispenser is now ready for operation. When operating the dispenser, a blue light appears when a towel is being dispensed. All 3 lights will flash if there's a paper jam. The battery light illuminates red when the battery is low. The battery light flashes when the battery is very low. Econ mode is the default setting. Press the Econ mode button once to switch to auto supply. Press again to turn on hand wave. Press again to return to Econ mode. The sensor range setting adjusts distance from the user's hand to the dispenser for touchless dispensing. The time delay setting allows towels to dispense at variable time intervals after a towel is removed from the dispenser. The sheet length adjustment setting enables you to select the length of each sheet being dispensed. The feed sheet button is used to advance towels during loading. The InMotion 8-inch automated towel dispenser from GP Pro. That's confidence at work.